Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites, updated Nvidia drivers and both monitors physically connected to the GPU. Once done, open Nvidia Control Panel from the desktop menu, run as administrator if Windows prevents changes. Make sure both displays power on and show input signals, then select Set up multiple displays in the left column. You do this now because NVCP detects outputs only after drivers and connections are correct. This ensures the options you need appear without further troubleshooting. You'll now map and configure each screen. Click Identify to show numbers, then drag each display tile to match your desk layout. This prevents cursor confusion. Select the monitor you want as primary, set resolution and refresh rate to its native values, and apply. If you game across screens, enable G-Sync or Nvidia Surround here. Make sure both monitors support chosen features. Take a moment to test window snapping and cursor travel so you confirm the logical layout matches reality. Finish by applying changes and calibrating color, brightness, and scaling so both monitors look consistent. Make sure scaling is set per display to avoid blurry UI. Use native resolutions. If a monitor stays blank, first swap cables or ports and verify the monitor's input source, then reboot. If Windows still misdetects displays, rescan in Device Manager or reinstall the Nvidia display adapters. This resolves driver-side detection issues. One key tip: try a different cable type since adapters can.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.